Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Okay, I'm back here at the stove. On my other video I showed you how to replace the heating element. Well, when I replaced it, one of the switches was not working. So I had to order them, and now I'm back. Okay, remember, you need to unplug it first. Now, on the back end, you see these screws at the top. Remove these screws and this panel will come out. What I did was I ordered both switches because he said even the other one would sometimes not come on. So I ordered both. What I do is take a picture of where the wires are, remove the front caps. It reveals the two screws, unscrew them, and then the switches will come right out. But make sure you take a picture of the wiring, so as you're doing it, if you forget where one wire goes, you can easily see it in the picture. But when I do these, I remove one wire at a time and place it on the new switch, which helps me keep track of exactly where they are. All right, I know the black and red wire are on the bottom, and just bring them out, move the wires so that you feel comfortable taking them off. Okay, so now I have the new ones. I'm checking to make sure they're exactly the same, which they are. And now I'm just going to take one wire off at a time and start to put them on the new switch. Did the same with the black and red wire. I knew they went on the bottom. Pop this in, throw the screws in, and that switch is done. Real simple. Okay, now do the same thing with the other switch, taking them off one by one, putting them on the new switch. Pop the new switch in, put your screws in, and this switch is done also. All right, now let's go ahead and put the cover back on. Make sure you get all your screws in place. Then once this is all tightened up, you can go ahead and plug it back in. And you see that little clip on the bottom there? That's a tilt preventer. So when you go to slide your stove in, slide it to it, lift up the front, and then it'll slide right in. And then set it back down. Okay, now we turned them on. Let's see if everything comes on. It's looking good. And hopefully this settles their problem. What they were having earlier, that the burners wouldn't come on all the time. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. All right, see you on the next one.